What's Neon? You might be asking yourself. It's a new cryptocurrency that's been making waves in the crypto world. But there's one question that's been on everyone's mind: who's funding Neon? Let's dive in and find out. Neon has been shrouded in a bit of mystery when it comes to its funding. Unlike many other crypto projects that publicly announce their investors, Neon has remained relatively tight-lipped. This secrecy has fueled speculation and intrigue, with many wondering who's behind the scenes. Theories and speculations. Some speculate that Neon is backed by a group of wealthy individuals who see the potential in the project. Others believe it might be supported by a large corporation, perhaps looking to diversify its investments. And then there's the theory that Neon is a community-driven project, funded by contributions from its users. The role of venture capital. While Neon hasn't publicly disclosed any venture capital firms as investors, it's not uncommon for startups in the tech industry to receive funding from these firms. Venture capitalists often invest in promising projects with the hope of a significant return on investment. It's possible that Neon has secured funding from a venture capital firm, but has chosen to keep this information private. The community's involvement. Neon has a strong and active community, and it's possible that community members have played a role in funding the project. Many cryptocurrencies rely on community contributions, either through donations or token purchases. It's conceivable that Neon has received funding from its community, helping to fuel its development and growth. The importance of transparency. While Neon's decision to keep its funding sources private may be strategic, transparency is often valued in the crypto world. Openness about funding can build trust and credibility, attracting more investors and contributors. As Neon continues to grow, it may be beneficial for the project to provide more information about its financial backers. So, who exactly is funding Neon? The truth remains a bit elusive. While there are various theories and speculations, the project hasn't publicly disclosed its investors. Whether it's a group of individuals, a corporation, or the community itself, Neon's funding sources undoubtedly play a crucial role in its development and success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.